Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm thrilled to kickstart 2024 with all of you. Today's video is going to be a game changer, as we're diving into something crucial, preparing for the best year ever through a personal finance audit. But before we jump in, if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the strategies to level up your financial game this year. Alright, let's get down to business. Why is a personal finance audit crucial for setting the stage for an incredible year? Think of it as the GPS for your financial journey. It allows you to assess you are right now where you want to be, and the roadmap to bridge that gap. Steps to conducting a personal finance audit. Step 1. Gather your financial documents. Get your bank statements, investment portfolios, credit card bills, and any other financial documents you have. This helps create a clear picture of your finance. Step 2. Track your expenses. Now, let's dive into the nitty-gritty. Categorize your expenses: essential versus non-essential. Tools like budgeting apps or spreadsheets can make this process seamless. Step 3. Review income and budget. Analyze your income sources and compare them with your expenses. Adjust your budget accordingly to align with your financial goals for the year. Step 4. Assess debts and savings. Take stock of any outstanding debts and evaluate your savings. Are there areas you can optimize, or debts you can prioritize paying off? Setting financial goals. Now that we have a comprehensive understanding of our financial landscape, let's set some SMART goal. Measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Whether it's building an emergency fund, paying off a certain debt, or investing in education, make these goals crystal clear. Strategies for an incredible 2024 to ensure this is truly the best year ever. Let's discuss strategies to amplify our financial game. Automation. Set up automatic transfers to your savings or investment accounts to stay on track effortlessly. Upskilling. Invest in learning new skills that could potentially increase your earning capacity. Review and adapt. Commit to regular check-ins on your finances. Circumstances change, and so should your financial plan. There you have it, folks. A personal finance audit is the cornerstone of a financially successful year. Remember, it's not about perfection, but progress. Start implementing these steps today, and trust me, you'll thank yourself later. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, share it with your friends, and comment down below your financial goals for 2024. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, stay financially savvy.